Welcome back, guys. This is the 1 week update and also our second wash of your new subscriber requested 23-way ceramic spray coatings longevity test. As you can see on your screen here, we've had a lot of rain in the last 2 days or so, all in about 2 hours too. So I'm really interested to see how that's affected these products. Remember that these have all had in excess of 7 days to cure inside our climate-controlled shop before this was placed outside in the elements. The new tests like this, I will always wash them weekly for the first month because there's always some that don't even make it to the 30-day mark, which is pretty sad when you're shelling out hard-earned money for this kind of stuff. So now we're going to get into the wash. We're going to foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse it off and inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying things off. If you've got a minute, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if there's any products here that you've used or if you're rooting for any. As always, if there is a product you'd like to see tested, let me know too, but also make sure to look at my master spreadsheet in the video description to make sure I haven't already tested it first before asking, as I do get a lot of that. However, I do like to test these products more than once so we have more than one data point to go off of to make sure I didn't get a bad batch or it's a fluke or something like that. So finally, if there is something you consider purchasing, please consider purchasing it through the link provided in the video description, as it does help the channel out, as 100% of the profits and everything that comes in for this channel goes right back into testing more products. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are holding up. I'm looking forward to this one. Sonex ceramic spray. It's been pretty impressive, at least as of the first wash. Still looking good. Griot's 3-in-1 spray. That's pretty much how it's going to be for probably 6 months. Not quite as hydrophobic as maybe New Finish graphene right next to it, but it's still doing its job. Sonex. That looks like that's going to be impressive. Yeah, Griot's 3-in-1. You can buy that at AutoZone. Less than $20. New Finish graphene about the same. That is the reformulated version and looks pretty impressive so far. Adams Advanced spray coating, not looking that great. Neither is Wolfgang Uber. Remember, this is 7 days, 2 washes. White Diamond graphene, purchased at Walmart. Looks like it's doing all right. McKee's hydrographene, looks like it's doing all right as well. Rain-X graphene, not quite that great. Not to the point where we would call it weak, but it's well on its way. Again, 2 washes. 303 graphene has been a love-or-hate relationship. We've had some that have lasted 3 months, some that have lasted less than 30 days. This batch, again, we bought it brand new right off the AutoZone shelf, and it is not looking great. We're not going to call it failed, but it's pretty close. It's not looking great. Black Rhino Boost. They sent this to me at no cost to me, and I think that is going to be our first failure. Look at that. It is sticking, and it was installed as instructed. So you can go back and look at the setup video. I'll leave the link to that in the video description if there is any question there. And the second failure at the 1 week mark, Shine Armor Graphene. Incredibly difficult product to install, and it doesn't last either. But yeah, Black Rhino kind of in the same boat there too. So Black Rhino and Shine Armor, first failures on this hood. Avalon King Boost, another pretty difficult product to install, but so far it looks like it's doing all right. Flitz ceramic coating, ceramic spray coating. Looked in a little weak. Jesscar ceramic spray wax. I believe I got that one off of Amazon. Looks all right. McKee's 365 ceramic, not looking that great. Ooh, it's barely hanging on. We'll give it a pass this week, but I have a feeling by this point next week, it's going to be gone. Not looking great there. And over to Zephyr Pro 30. Purchased that one from Walmart. Another spray ceramic. So that's going to be our third failure. It has failed. Just looking back over at Black Rhino as the water had a chance to sit there for a while, yeah, it's failed. Soft 99 Trees, I believe that is advertised as a 3-month coating or 3-month spray. looks like it's doing all right, although weaker than day one. TAC system and Quartz Max, very hydrophobic. Very impressive there. I believe I bought that one from Carzilla. I have to go through my filing cabinet in my brain where I purchased all these because I have so many. 3D Ceramic Touch, not looking that great. G-Technic Marine, looking a little worse for wear, but it's still all right. Geon Cancoat Q2 Evo, very, very hydrophobic. That's been pretty impressive. Their non-Evo version has done fairly well in my testing as well. And Glossit Ceramic Detail Spray, it's looking a little worse for wear. In the past, you're going to get 30 to 60 days out of that product. I've tested that, I believe, 2 other times. This will probably be the final time I test that product. So there's your update, guys. 1 week. Pretty surprising, but then again, maybe not. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you've used any of these, if your experience has been the same, and if they last this long or that even less. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.